We already talked about the best platforms depending on their reach, the content style, and so many other factors. We talked about the future of Instagram, and we also talked about how to attract clients using content. So now we kind of have to piece all of this together, right? We know video is the future. We know the social media platforms that give us the most ROI, so return on our investment of time or whatever we're putting in. And we also know the formula so that we're always getting clients in, knowing about our business and making sure that they come through the funnel. So let me walk you through the exact process from A to Z. Keep in mind that you always have to remember what that person wants. What does that person need at this moment? First of all, you always have to start off knowing what your consumers want. So what is that problem that you solve and who are you solving it for? Once you have that down, you can start thinking about how you're going to actually create content for this person. Remember that you are always one step ahead. So let's say you teach how to do yoga. You don't have to necessarily teach the full yoga to somebody who's starting out. You can teach them how to start off with a 5-minute stretch, 10-minute stretch as soon as they wake up. Let's say your product is pizza. You don't have to go all the way to pizza. You can start off with the tomato sauce, okay? So you are always one step ahead. Think about the little tiny steps that you can start teaching on the way to the solution or on the way to the product. This first part is really important. So you want to make sure that you give it thought and get really clear. And I explain how to do this a lot further inside the free content workshop. So make sure you grab your seat and get really clear on this first step. Now, the second step is to actually create an 8 to 10 minute video. The hardest part, I promise you, the hardest part here in the creation of this video is actually getting over the mindset speed bump. Your mind will always bring up different reasons why you can't do it, and I promise you, you can do it. Whether it's not having time, because maybe you're like, nah, I'm not scared of getting in front of the camera, but you're gonna think, no, but I don't have time. I have to talk with my clients. I have to get on this call. That is still a mindset block. Whether it's, no, but I don't look good today. I'm not ready to be on camera. That's a mindset block. But where am I gonna film and my kids and the noise and this and that? Or I don't have the right equipment, I just have my phone, I don't even know how to use this, I'm not tech savvy, all that stuff that's slowing you down. As soon as you drive over that speed bump, you're gonna know that you're able to do this, okay? The script and the time that you spend researching will not go to waste. This will help you so much. So the more energy that you put into it, the better, okay? Script it out, and then this is what you're going to repurpose onto the other platforms. Remember that the winning content formula is searchable plus community building. So then we jump on community building platforms like Instagram or TikTok, or if your audience is there, on LinkedIn. And remember the 3 pillars that we talked about for an online business, the know, like, and trust factor? Well, we already got them in the know with that 8 to 10 minute video, putting it on a searchable platform. Now we're going into the like and the trust. So what we're going to do is basically break up this long video and we're putting it on these other platforms like Instagram and like TikTok. So that 8-minute video that you sat down to create, that is going to keep working for you, okay? You can grab at least 4 pieces of content from that video. You can put it on your IG stories, on IG Reels, on IGTV, on TikTok, all right? On LinkedIn as a video. You can even transcribe it on LinkedIn as a blog post. And remember that with the new Instagram changes, soon they might even be incorporating monetization, like they already announced monetization for IG Lives in certain countries. All those new changes are inside that video, so make sure you also check it out. So you're basically promoting the long video that you did, but you're also showing up in this platform, creating the content that they're pushing, video. They're always going to be pushing video and mobile first video. So that video, you just format it in the correct dimensions for each platform, and boom, there you have it. You're showing up without doing the work. So think about it this way. You have to cook all week. If you know me and if you follow along with my stories, you know that I cook from Monday through Wednesday, and then Gabe cooks the rest of the week. We divide it because I'm not a fan of cooking. He is, but I still do my fair share in our lunch, and all that you can find on my Instagram stories. But anyways, so let's say I had to cook the full week, okay? And I'm like, oh, what can I do? What a hassle. And I know that for some people, creating content sounds like that same exact hassle that I feel when I know I have to cook. So here's one way that I could literally optimize my cooking. With one tomato sauce, I can put that on and I can make pizza. I can put that on and make super good scrambled eggs. I can put that on and make pasta. I can put that on some bread, and there you go. I have a really great toast. All from one tomato sauce that I did. So now cooking doesn't sound as hard, right? I just have to do that little side thing. I have to basically optimize it for whatever meal I'm doing, but I have the main ingredient. I have that main thing. That's the same exact thing that you're doing with video. When you sit down to create that 8 to 10 minute video, you have all these other things where it's just formatting it to the right dimensions. So what looks and sounds like a lot of work is just one video. It's one video that you can sit down, that then of course you can optimize how you do that, the process that you do that with, the optimization, the hiring, the outsourcing. You can speed that up later on, but right now focus on one video and breaking that up into little pieces so you have a strong content strategy that is working for you, not on one platform, multiple platforms, and not just attracting people to know about you, but actually converting them into clients, making sure you are checking all 3 of the pillars to build a strong online business, the know, like, and trust factor. You have all that down through content because you are showing up consistently, answering the questions for your ideal audience. It's completely different than sitting there and making each new plate each day, every day. It's the same exact thing with content. So get this strategy down. Of course, I go into this in full detail so you know how to do this, the strategy behind it, and how it works inside the free content workshop. So do not miss out. Grab your seat and I'll see you in there. By the way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, and I'll see you right back here on this same channel next time. Bye bye, guys.